NAB 2018,
the world's largest expo for broadcast media content.
the show where the latest creative developments are on display.
Hi, I'm Kaylee Hewlett from InBroadcast here at NAB 2018, and I'm joined here by Keith from Dielectric. So Keith, talk to me about what you're doing here at NAB this year.
Yeah, we're supporting all of the broadcasters with the repack effort. So it's a short timeline of 39 months to get all the stuff done. We're about 27 months left into it. So we supply broadcast equipment for all the major broadcasters out there. We lead in this technology and also with the order. So we're very excited. It's a great time for Dielectric and our customer base.
Fantastic. Now, in terms of new products that you're showing here at the show, talk to me about that.
Yeah, sure. We are showcasing a TFU antenna, which is a top mount antenna that's made out of aluminum. Traditionally, they're made out of steel. So we have produced a few of those for our international customers. And we're doing a lot of customization work with the U.S. broadcasters for the repack. So a lot of new designs are coming out of engineering all the way through manufacturing. So we're very excited about all the new technology, the advancements that we have done with our computer software and modeling. So it's a high-paced environment. We're very excited about that, and we've been able to keep up with the demand so far.
Great stuff, really exciting. Now, in terms of challenges and opportunities, what do you find your customers facing?
Yeah, I think the biggest opportunity out there is getting all this done, repack by the summer of 2020. So there's probably about 1,200 antennas that need to be purchased and replaced. And I think Dielectric's doing a really good job meeting the demand. We're producing 40 antenna systems a month at this point, and we're trying to increase that volume. If you look at some of the challenges that they face is installing this equipment. So it's going up 2,000 feet in the air or 1,200 feet in the air, wherever it is on the tower, and it takes highly skilled laborers to get that equipment up there, and I think they're going to start to fall behind. So that's one of the biggest opportunities for the repack.
As you're saying that, I can see the footage right behind you right there on the screen, and you're quite right. Wow, it's pretty high up. Absolutely. Now, in terms of the future, what does that look like for Dielectric?
I think the future is significantly bright. We're going to have between 70 and 80% of market share for the repack, and the broadcasters today are looking at a new standard, ATSC 3.0. So a lot of the show this week has been focused on that, which allows the broadcasters to be competitive with mobile devices, whether it's laptops or handhelds, and there's quite a few trials going on within the country as for ATSC 3.0, and Dielectric's involved in all of them. So hopefully we transition from a repack to an ATSC 3 and keep the business strong and healthy.
Wow, great. Now, where can people go to find out some more information? Absolutely,
our website, so www.dielectric.com.
Thank you so much, Keith.
Absolutely. Thank you, and have a great show.
This is Kaylee Hewlett here at NAB 2018.